Back in May of last year, there was some hailstorms that moved through and there was some damage to a whole bunch of roofs. I was new to the game, so I really didn't know the process. Aaron made me feel at ease. He said, here's what we'll do. We'll start with the insurance people coming out, giving an estimate. It's gonna probably be a low estimate, which he's used to seeing. When I got the number, I kind of chuckled because I knew that couldn't even repair the roof. And that was the primary reason, with the hail damage to the roof, we needed to get the roof repaired. And Aaron and I talked. He said he's familiar with this process, made me feel comfortable. He said, we're gonna have a public adjuster come out. They will talk to your insurance company. They will work through a third-party appraiser. Aaron and the public adjuster that he used, an appraiser, got 4 times more money to cover the damages done to my house. Once the final number was resolved, he had a team do the roof within about 2 or 3 days. I think they got it done. After that, he coordinated with some subcontractors to come out and do the gutters. After that, within a week or so, the painters came. Painters first did some woodwork repair throughout the house around the wood areas, and then they got the painting done. It starts with the roof, but he's able to kind of coordinate subcontractors to do other things like wood repair, gutter repair, and even painting of the house. I'm a little skeptical on things, and they proved me wrong. I mean, I couldn't find anything negative to say about Indy Roof or their subcontractors, the job they did. Everything they did was phenomenal, done much quicker, much easier than I ever thought it would be. And I would clearly and highly recommend them to my neighbors. Very happy with everything Indy Roof provided and did. Between Aaron and Jessica, phenomenal job is all I can say.